Welcome all. Today we are going to discuss about the industrial production, estimation and utilization of xenocide. Xenocides are the active constituents of senna. Collectively it is known as xenocide A, B, C and D. They are dimeric anthraquinone glycosides. Biological source of xenocide is dried leaflets of Acacia angustifolia and Acacia acutifolia, belonging to the family Leguminosae. Among this xenocides, xenocide A and C is the trans isomers and B and C are the mesoisomers. This is the senna plant from which we are getting the senna tablets. Let us see the isolation of xenocides. Coarse powder of senna leaf is macerated with 70% methanol and for 4 hours. Then it is filtered. The filter is concentrated to 1 by 8th volume under vacuum. It is acidified with hydrochloric acid with, until it is reaching pH 3. Then it is hydrolyzed into glycan and aglycan part. We all know that the aglycan part, that is the anthraquinone, is extracted by or soluble in the nonpolar solvent. So we are extracting the filtrate with the aqua with chloroform. Then it is neutralized with ammonia. Then it is centrifuged to get the brown color precipitate of senna. In method B, the coarse powder of senna leaves is extracted with benzene for shaking 2 to 3 hours to remove the impurities. Then benzene layer is recovered under vacuum distillation. We need only the dry mark. So after removing the benzene, the mark is dried at room temperature or in hot air oven not exceeding 40 °C. The dry mark is extracted with 70% methanol at room temperature and shaking in a shaker for 4 to 6 hours. Then the procedure is repeated for another 2 hours with fresh methanol. So the methanolic extract is combined, then it is concentrated to 1 by 8th of its volume under reduced pressure. Adjust the pH uh, with the help of hydrochloric acid until it is reaching pH 3. Then set aside for 3 hours, filter. The filtrate is added with calcium chloride to get the calcium xenocide. Then adjust the pH to 8 with the help of ammonia and set aside for 2 hours. Filter and the solution is distillated. The dry precipitate is recovered and it is kept in the desiccator over phosphorus pentoxide. Now let us see the estimation of xenocides. There are two parts in that. One is identification test as well as thin layer chromatography. Identification test known as bone tracker test. Here the leaves boiled in dilute sulfuric acid or any mineral acid and filter and collect the filtrate. Cool it. After cooling, it is extracted with organic solvent and separate the organic layer and add equal quantity of ammonia in it. Ammonia layer become pink or red color, indicating the presence of anthraquinone glycosides. Now let us see the thin layer chromatography. The stationary phase is silica gel 60F254. Then the mobile phase is N-propanol ethyl acetate water 4:4:3. Detection can be done either by using nitric acid in potassium hydroxide reagent or by UV 366 nanometer. For this, the test sample is prepared by extracting 1 gram of powdered drug with 5 ml of methanol by heating on a water bath for 15 minutes. Then filter, the filtrate is evaporated and that sample is used for testing. We can detect by using UV 366 nanometer. We get lemon yellow color or light blue color when you view under UV light with the RF value of, for senoside A, it is 0.4 and B 0.2, C 0.7, and for senoside D, it is 0.5 respectively. Let us see the estimation. There are two methods in that. That is colorimetry method as per IP 1966 and bioassay method. The drug is powdered and extracted with water or hydroalcoholic solution. The aqueous phase is extracted with chloroform or ether to eliminate free anthraquinones. The aqueous solution is oxidized with ferrichloride and hydrolyzed with hydrochloric acid. The resulting anthraquinones are extracted with organic solvent, either chloroform or ether. The solvent is evaporated and the residue is redissolved in methanolic solution of magnesium acetate, whose absorbance is measured at 550 nanometer. We get red color when you are treating with the respective reagents. The standard solution usually 1:8 ratio dihydroxy anthraquinones. The second method is bioassay. In this method, mice or rat are used by counting the number of wet feces after administration of the drug according to the weight of animal for determining the activity. The therapeutic use of the senna is laxative that we all know. It causes irritation of large intestine and have some gripping effect. So it is prescribed along with the carbonatives. So generally, senna is a stimulant cathartic and exerts its action by increasing the tone of smooth muscles in large intestine. These are the few formulation available in the market with using senna leaves or senosides. Thank you.